Can we log in WhatsApp with Gmail account? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if we can log in WhatsApp with Gmail account or not. So let's just dive right into the video and find out if we can do that or not. So for that, first thing is you need to have the WhatsApp app installed into your device. You can just go ahead and install it and open it up. Once you open the app, you should be finding this interface on your screen when you are new. After that, first thing is you need to agree and continue with the terms and conditions. And the next step is you need to enter up your phone number in order to create your account. So unfortunately, we can't log in into WhatsApp using Gmail account because WhatsApp and Gmail are separate services. However, you can use your phone number instead, and after you have already created your account, you can link your email address to your WhatsApp account. So for that, you can open up your WhatsApp and tap on the three dot at the top right corner and open up the settings first. After that, go to accounts and you can add up an email address by going through this email address section and add it. So that is it for now. This is what we find out from this video. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.